Good morning. It's Saturday. It's around 8 o'clock and I'm here in Asoke Road. And normally in the weekend, you guys know that I love to take my bicycle for a spin. But unfortunately, that's not going to happen today because it's quite a dreary morning. And normally you have these torrential rains here in Bangkok, but today it's a Dutch day. This is what we are used in Holland. Just this kind of, dreary. But anyway, that doesn't mean that I cannot show you guys something. So I was thinking, 2 days ago I uploaded a video where I biked along the Khlong and it stopped at some point. So now I'm going to show you guys the Khlong, how it continues. Whoa. Let me check when I walk there to make sure that no car is gonna pass me and catch me. I should be clear. Yeah, so this is the end of Asoke, where it gets in the direction of Petpuri. And you have this bridge here that's going over the Khlong. And here you have the Esse and the Singa complex, which is an office building. So here you can pass through. I have to put my umbrella down a little bit. Here you can pass through and then you get to the river, the canal, or the Khlong. And I was thinking this will probably make for some nice footage and sound. Yeah, so where my last video stopped was about 200 meters down there. And here so here you have the station for the Khlong boat. This is the Asoke Station. Yeah, so today is the 1st of May and it's gonna be the first day of the new rules. And yeah, it's getting more and more serious now. I mean, there are more cases and the government is just trying a lot of different things to see how they can manage the situation regarding COVID. So from today, restaurants are not allowed to have dine-in anymore, which basically means that you can only order or you can pick up, but you cannot dine in. So yesterday evening, me and Midella had our last dinner for the next 2 weeks outside. We are obligated to wear a mask. And this has been enforced, so if you don't wear a mask, the police can stop you. Yeah, so I will upload this video today and my plan is to do a live stream around maybe 5 or 6 o'clock. I'm not sure yet about the time. And then I want to show and give an update how it is now. Yeah, so for the next 2 weeks, there is no official curfew. Yeah, so tonight in the live stream I will explain everything. And also everybody who will be online, we can talk with each other and discuss and see what the situation is, because there is so many different messages coming out of the media. Yeah, so I'm walking here in the, yeah, let's say in the back of Soi 15 along the NIST school, the International School of Thailand. Yeah, here across, this is all Petbury Road. See, this is the sports section. So there's a cleaning crew working to make the station clean. So I think this is maybe for COVID as well. Whoa. Yeah, so this is the Khlong Saen Saep boat station at the end of Soi 15. Yeah, we're getting now to the part of the Khlong where whenever I have my, whatever is it, 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers, I always come here and make a small video. Always nice to see the Khlong boats passing by. Yeah, so this one is on its way to Bangkok. Yeah, it's always nice to see the discussions on the weather, and yeah, let's say raining season is early this year. You know, normally after Songkran you can expect rainy weather to come in, but yeah, now it's already, this is already the 4th or 5th day that we have proper rain. know, this is one of the things that I like so much about Bangkok. Normally, if the weather would have been sunny, I would have jumped on my bicycle and go around and just explore the city. But on a day like this, you can still have a nice walk in a kind of nature, right? Peaceful. You know, there's always a nice little corner in the city where you can hang out. Somehow I always manage to catch one of these boats at this bridge here. Yeah, so this here is the back of Sukhumvit Soi 11. Convenience stores like 7-Eleven and all the supermarkets, they have to close at 11 now. Yeah, the shopping malls, they also have to close at 9. And for example, you have the restaurants in the shopping malls, they can stay open, but they cannot serve food to the dine-in customers. So yeah, so this evening I'm gonna do a bit of a live stream. I'm gonna visit a mall and show you guys how it looks. So if you want to know, then feel free to have a look and join us tonight. So I'm getting here to the end of Soi 3, also known as Nana. Yep. I think today is gonna be a dreary day like this. And this is not really normal in Thailand. Most of the time you have this very, very heavy showers, and then it just finishes, and then the rest of the day is okay. So here we are at the end of Soi 3. Yeah, here you have the Khlong Station that you can use if you want to go to Bumrungrad Hospital. Bumrungrad Hospital is just around the corner here. Yeah, so this path is gonna end at the railroad track, and you guys might remember, I think it's probably already half a year ago, that I made a video at the community at the railroad track, and the same community where I went back later and gave the presents to the kids there. Yeah, that was a nice thing. So there in the back with the Thai flag on top is the Bangkok Tower. Yeah, it almost stopped raining. Yeah, so this whole path that I just walked now, it's all in the back of the regular Sukhumvit Road. So we are getting now, we actually just passed Sukhumvit Soi 1. So any street that you have in Sukhumvit, if you walk until the end, you get to this Khlong. And well, this is actually if you are, let's say, between Central World and Ekamai. So it's always a nice idea to just walk the street until the end if you're in Bangkok, and you will end up here at this river. And as you can see, it's a nice and relaxed walk. You can get some pretty cool scenery, like this kind of temple here. Okay, so we're getting to the train track, which means it's the end of this walkway along the Khlong. So I am going to finish my video here in the back of this nice temple. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a comment, press the like button, and see you guys in my next video.